In this video, I will show you how you can create time clock or see time clock details or edit time clock details. So for that, you have to go here, human resource, then time clock. Here we have employee view and location view. You can select any employee you want and then their time clock data will show here. I will show you location view later. You can search employee by first name only. Now I will add records. I will click on this button. I will select this employee. You have to select project. I will select this project. You have to select cost code, start date and end date. I will select current date. You can select any date you want. Suppose I select start date 1 and end date 15. Then my time clock records will be added for those these 15 days. For 15 days entry, my time clock record will be added. Currently, I'm gonna do it for the single day only. So I have selected start date and end date same. So I will add in time 8 a.m. and out time 6 p.m. I will click on the save button. This pop-up will show. If you click on yes, then time clock record will be created. If you click on no, then this pop-up will close. You can change the details after you want. But I will click on yes. As you can see, we have time clock record here. You can search here. You can filter by daily, single day, weekly, bi-weekly and monthly. For the single day, it will show current day time clock only. And if you select on daily, then you can choose date range you want. Suppose I say 24 January and 16 February. So it will show time clock records for this range dates. And if I go to the weekly, it will show weekly records only. You can click on this arrow and see next week records. This way you can go week by previous or next. You can select week by previous or next. This way you can filter this data. For the bi-weekly, you have 2 weeks filter. Here you can see we have different columns. You cannot see any delete button or view time clock button. Here you can see all bi-weekly data. If you click on monthly, then you can see monthly data for the time clock records. You can change month by clicking on this button. If I click on this right arrow, then it will show next month time clock records. If you want to edit time clock record, then you have to click on this arrow button. First, we will see only view mode. But if you want to edit, then you have to click on this edit button. You can change clock in and clock out time here. I will change this. As you can see, our check-in and check-out time is updated. You can do sorting here by date, project name, cost code, and for the rest all columns. You cannot sort by in and out time. Here, regular hours, overtime, and break. This data is based on company settings. If you have selected regular hours 8, then it will show 8 here. And overtime and break will be static you have set, but overtime will be based on clock in and clock out time. Same, this total will be based on clock in and clock out time, deducting break. If you want to export this data, then you have to click on this export CSV button. It will download CSV data. To download data in PDF, you have to click on download PDF button. It will download all the data. If you select on these checkboxes, then you can download selected data in CSV and PDF also. So now I will show you location view. In location view, so the only difference between employee view and location view is if you can see we have a selection for the employees only there. So we have all time clock records, but here we have project wise time clock records. So if you change the project here, see our data is not here because this view is for the project wise employee time clock records. So I have selected this project for that employee. So only this project data will show here. You can do searching here in employee also. So this thing is same. You can create record same as we have done in this employee view, but this thing is same. Only this view is different. I will show you how you can delete this. You have to click on this delete button only and click on yes. Then this data will be deleted. Now I will show you uh, one employee which has data. Okay, so this icon, this warning icon means that this employee forgot checkout. I mean clock out. So it means here you can see we don't have any checkout time here. So if we check out, then this icon will be gone. That's it.